Does your Dodge Grand Caravan or your Chrysler Town & Country make like a shuddering feel or a vibration in the steering wheel when you turn it at low speeds? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, Dodge Chrysler came out with a TSB or a technical service bulletin to repair this issue in their vans quite some time ago. The problem you have when you go and you research it and go to order the parts, they don't make them anymore, so you can't get them. Good news is I'm not only going to show you how to do this repair step by step, and it's easy to do, I'm also going to show you where to get the parts for it as well. So let's not waste any time. Let's dive into this video.